Hey y'all, Will Healy here. Happy Factory Tour Friday. Last week, I was lucky to represent Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership here in Cincinnati Metro. I was lucky to represent them at the Manufacturing Month event being held at Kentucky's Gateway Community and Technical College in Florence, Kentucky. This was a really special event where the college organized 12 employers and 7 high schools to come together and share about just the great manufacturing careers that are in the tri-state area. They shared it with 152 students, really incredible, plus the teachers and the parents. I had some great conversations with parent chaperones, and the students had multiple really powerful experiences. Fernando, the president at Gateway, kicked the day off with a really inspiring speech. They got the day going, and then we toured the HVAC labs. Some of the students got to get hands-on with the torch, sweating some pipes. We visited the machine shop and the 3D printing lab, and they got to see how metal removal and additive manufacturing really come together to make the items that we use every day. The students got to see other students working in the electrical labs and in the automation labs to see how automated machines work and how automated machines come together. And they got to see students firsthand working on projects in the automation labs and the electrical labs. And then they got to meet in kind of a little trade show with manufacturing employers to discuss and hear about manufacturing careers and career opportunities and career paths in manufacturing. And then last but not least, I thought was the most fun, we visited the welding lab. The students were able to get up close and personal and see what actual students were working on. Of course, they had eye protection, but they got to see the students working actively on projects, cutting and grinding and of course, welding in the welding lab. And so that was really neat. So, we fix the skills gap challenges that we're facing in manufacturing through local action like this. And so with local action, having events and engaging our local community, our local schools, nearby our factories, that's how we fix it. And in Manufacturing Month is not over yet, so you could still have an event. I've heard of many companies actually having events in November, and that's great because we really have to share locally about manufacturing all year long. And so check out this event. It was a little bit different organized. It was at the school, and so maybe if you can't have a tour at your factory, you could have something like this at a local school. So I'll make sure there's some resources linked down in the comments, and until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?